Alexis Michi, same person, same thing. And you might be wondering, why are you outside? Why is there a garage in your background? Well, this is where I do my artwork, and I thought today, hey, let me share with people, because maybe you want inspiration of how your art studio should look. But for me, it's an art corner. It's basically a little area in the corner. So I just, if you're interested, you want to know what it looks like, like I said, inspiration, or you're nosy and you're here and you're curious, I don't know, but I'm gonna share. So right now, just jump into it. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Okay, bye. A quick disclaimer, it might be a little messy. We're gonna start over here. Here we have our fabric spray paint in this corner. I have many other fabric paints, and I'll show you where those are at in a minute, but these are just the spray paints, because sometimes I like to just use them and not fabric. These are on the canvas or whatever I'm working on, because why not? Here we have some sand. It's not, I don't think it's real sand. I bought it. So you don't want to use real sand whenever you're painting, because weird explaining this and just staring at one thing whenever you can see where the words are coming from. I was informed by an artist a while back that you don't want to use real sand whenever you are painting and such, because the microorganisms in the sand can eat up your canvas. So just, a quick little tip: if you want to play with sand, don't use real sand. Get the fake stuff, or look up ways that you can utilize real sand. I have not done that, but I, heard from a guy that, lived his trial and errors. He expressed that to me. So I retained it, and I went ahead and got myself fake sand for projects that involve this kind of material. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to let you know that in case you were interested in working with sand for some weird reason. Moving on. A black one too, and some crystal things. Some paintbrushes that I use a lot. They look dirty, but they've just been through some things. I use them a lot. And these straws, I use them when I do fluid art to kind of manipulate the paint how I want it. I might do a video on how I do fluid art for the fun of it. Anyway, here's some paint, some dirty water to rinse my brushes in. It's the only way, right? No. Some more paint, just basically neutral tones, or something I have a lot more of, like these green shades. There's some bad, but they're trash, because that's handy. And what do we have? We have a heat gun in here, just some extra water when I needed for whatever I needed for. Some of these things to add certain finishes and textures to my artwork. Iridescent, of course, some gel looking gloss thing, and what's that one? What's that? The modeling paste, yeah. Here's some flow chalk. Spray paint. I just got this back today. I have this material so I can make stencils out of it. It's actually called poster board. That sounds so weird. It was under a label called poster boards. It doesn't look like a poster board because it is, but I thought it'd be a really cool thing to make my stencils out of. And if you wanted to figure out how to do that, this is what you get. Got it at Michael's. There's a notification in my way. Okay. Here's where I keep like odds and ends, so like glitters, and yeah, glue gun is in there. I have this lovely assortment of beautiful colors and things that I got 50% off the other day, so this really excites me. Oh my gosh, I should do a montage right here, right now. I'll insert that if I decide to do that. There are trucks driving by and they're loud. Anyways, yeah, this is just really satisfying to me. All these pretty paints and colors. More Floetrol. More, oh no. Oh, another helpful tip. If you're one of those people that do fluid art, and like you have, obviously you're gonna have a bunch of cups spread out in many different paints. If you like let it sit over time, you can literally just peel it out and then reuse the cup. So you don't have to keep wasting cups. I recently discovered I could do that. But yeah, don't throw away your cups. Eventually you can reuse them. Anyways, moving on. Cone. We have some more crystal things, some popsicle sticks, the wire stuff, metallic ink and paints over here. Pens, and for holding up the canvases and such. Here's like the thing I keep my pretty brushes in. working on over here. Some couple of towels that I've, used to wipe stuff on. We have a big thing of Jezzo here. By the way, I got this for $15. Yeah, 64 fluid ounces. I got that at Michael's? I think it was Michael's. Yes, go there, get this, because that is a steal. $15 for 64 ounces of 64 fluid ounces, okay, of Jezzo. And just another helpful tip. Be careful or be mindful of the environment that you put your Jezzo in, because this guy over here, I've had him since, I don't know, July. I'm not gonna open it because you can already tell through it. It looks really scary. Yeah, this used to be in a really hot room, and stuff happened in there, and I just recently discovered that a couple days ago. I don't know what happened, but we're gonna throw that away, and then we got that, so it's fine. Everything's fine. Yeah, but anyways, I need some more paint and some cups, blacks and whites, because those are very important for contrasting and base colors and such. But yeah, and then if you're wondering why I have so many Starbucks cups, I actually used to work for Starbucks. They were gonna throw them away, so I took them out of the trash can, and here they are. I'm using them, and yeah, that's my water. That's how I stay hydrated. But this is my art table. Oh, and we have some more stuff down here. So, canvases. I have more, but this is what I got right now. I mean, that could fit down here. There's a table I'm gonna work on, and that crate is filled with fabric paint and stuff, and I don't ever feel like getting in there. I guess I will for the video. That's as much as I'm gonna do, because that's pretty much all that's in here. I used to keep the spray paints in here as well, but I kept using them even on non-fabric bases in medium, so that's why I leave them out. And then these are just my specifically for fabric paints. Here's some extra brushes. And here's a bag of shaving cream. Yeah, I hope I'll just make a video explaining why I have certain things, because you can do really cool stuff with it. I didn't really, I actually had in packs, like with this stuff. Why the hell do you have this? Well, you can do really cool pours and stuff over it, and yeah, I probably sound crazy. But I'm not, I promise. And then with shower curtains, like, you can use it as like a tarp. I just hit my head on that. I'm gonna get up. You can use it as a tarp and dry your stuff on it instead of spending so much money on a piece of plastic that you're just gonna put your stuff on to dry. Like, what the hell? Can I say hell? I said it 3 times. Oh well. Hey, it rhymed, so that makes it okay. Alright, so yeah, that is pretty much my art area. Oh, and one very important piece that I use is this kiddie pool. Yes, I use a kiddie pool to do my fluid art, and you can tell there's been a lot going on in here. I personally think that was like such a smart move of me, because think about it, people use really big totes and they spend all this money just to get paint all over this really expensive tote when you can just pay, like, I think I paid like $8 for a kiddie pool. I'm definitely gonna do an art hacks video. I had no idea that I had these many little quirks, innovative different ways of doing things. Yeah, innovative ways of doing things. So yeah, I'll definitely put a video together to share that with you guys, because people want to save money, people want to do things in a more effective and efficient way, so I will do that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'd step outside because A, it feels great, B, the lighting's way better. So I'm outside, exiting out, ending the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little, whatever you call this, what's in my art corner video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Yeah, if you liked it, let me know. If you want to learn, if you have any questions, let me know. Leave it in the comments section. I will be more than happy to give you information, and I hope you guys have interesting information to share with me, because this is community, guys. We gotta exchange information, grow together, learn, and all that fun stuff. So But yeah, don't be shy. Subscribe to my channel. You know, if you find my information, my words, and myself interesting, you should definitely do that so you can see more of me. And if you like it, then you can go to your liked videos and see me again. You know what else? You can hit the notification bell and you'll be notified when one of my videos comes up. That's if you're into that. Anyways, I hope you guys have a lovely day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the flip side. Okay, bye.